Hey, hello guys, welcome back. I logged in today to do some tasks, and fortunately, I didn't see the inactive member again. So far, so good. I have made a lot from Social Rebel. Okay, this is my personal balance. Recently, I've made over 800. I purchased something from the Social Rebel store. So they told me my order is being until my payment is verified. That's when I could get the order shipped to me. So I bought oh, order confirmed. Wow. So okay, this is what they said. Now thank you for your order below. Your start have been reviewed by our team. Okay. Waiting for verification. I believe the verification is part of what the they are doing to cash out for the cash out purpose. Okay, you can see that, and in my cash out here I have like over 8,000, say 1700 in my cash out here. You can see the amount plus what I have now. One sweet thing about this is the moment it has been cleared, I would not have to do this again. It's instant withdrawal for me. It's very tedious, and I understand their plight. They are trying to secure their sites from fraudulent activities. Whichever way, Social Rebel, there are some similar sites that also look similar like Social Rebel, and they are not even paying more. But if you go to their homepage, you see they are trusted with so many websites. I really don't know how to verify that, but from the information I've been getting, nobody have been saying either they are scam or not. I have met someone who said he got paid. Yeah, so most of my money I earn from invites. I invite a lot of people. Then I also posted on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter. It's only Snapchat I have not posted on. So far, so good. So if I click on Facebook now, you can see I've actually submitted some posts. You can see now story submission just to end. If I click on Instagram, you see I posted a couple of videos to us on Instagram. Same thing as TikTok. These are the things that pushed my earnings so far, and YouTube too. I did some videos like this video I'm doing right now is for the YouTube challenge, and I will keep updating my contacts as soon as I get paid. And as soon as I get paid, I'm promising to donate a 200 I'm promising to donate $200 to a loyal subscriber on my channel that watch virtually every video I upload. I've been really busy lately. I've not really been uploading regular video I do on the gadgets, but I'm back. I'm coming back strong. So I'm trying to do this YouTube challenge contest, and I hope you will help me win. So that's how to win. That's how to earn more on Social Rebel. Through this, you post on social media: Facebook, Instagram, etc. But if you want to earn more, you come to this way: offer center. This offer center includes a lot of apps. Carefully read the instruction. If you install the apps and you don't run it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you will not be credited. They are smart. Don't even try to boycott it. The survey too, make sure you finish the survey. You enjoy the survey. There are a lot of things to do here. There are a lot of things to do that can earn you a lot of money. So I earned a lot too about from my invites. From my invite. Let me go to invite center. Sorry, invite center. Okay, so this is what I have on my invite center. So okay, you can see some people. These are the people I referred, and they are also trying to do some earnings. I earn little by the time they work. You can see, you can see. So you can also jump on it. This is their earning so far. You can also jump on it and enjoy the free breeze. Nothing to lose, except you have to put your real information and everything, which might be disturbing. I've been receiving a lot of mails recently. So what I'm talking about, okay, Oh, why do you think this is real? Why? What makes you think it's real? Okay. Now we know this is on replay. This is on replay. We know this is on replay, but I studied this stat and I noticed that it was increasing. It was not the same number. So these guys are getting paid. They are getting paid. They are getting paid. So I know it might be repeat. All this popping up with paid, those are repeat. Those are repeat. Those are repeat. Even at the start, it was it was it was a lot more tedious, but they keep making it easier. And so that's that for now. Kindly like the video, enjoy, share with your friends, stay safe, and use your nose mask. Social Rebel is a platform I'm still reviewing. Until I get paid, I can give my honest review. Even when I get paid, I'm going to do a paid ad. To, I'm going to run a paid ad for the particular video I do when I get paid, so that other people can benefit from this. And I'm going to train people on how to earn with this. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.